Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily get back your closed Cash App account. So all you have to do is head over to Cash App and just make sure that you're logged into your account, and in account section, just scroll down until you see support and click on it. Then in the support page, just look for the chat button and click on it. So from here, you will be connected to the Cash App support agent, and all you have to do is just tell them that your Cash App account is closed. And from here, they will give you the reasons why your account is closed, and they may even give you step-by-step solutions on how you can easily get your Cash App account back. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!